This is Amy Chan from CakeDecoratingSchool.com, and if you like cake decorating, you're in the right place. If you're interested in these products, check the links in the description.
So in this video, we are talking about our Marvelous Molds Alligator Impression Mat. You can see I've still got it in the bag, so I'm going to pull it out and show it to you. And we like this brand of mats just because, as you can see, if you're doing an impression on a side of a cake, it's got these interlocking shapes. So as you're wrapping around, this will then meet up with this at the end. So you can keep moving it over, and it's really easy to line up the pattern, and it'll end up looking like it's absolutely seamless. In addition, you can see it has nice deep impressions, and when we use it, it gives us a really, really great effect, right? So they're fabulous molds. We really like them, and if you're looking to create nice effects on the side of your cakes in fondant, these are great impression mats to use.
If you enjoyed this video and you'd like more about the cake decorating materials and equipment we use, or just some inspirational videos about cake decorating itself, you can follow us on Insta or YouTube at Cake Decorating School. If you'd like to know more about yearly membership and what it entails, you can go to www.cakedecoratingschool.com for more information. And if you're interested in these products, you can check the links in the description.